So Simha pranayama, or lion's breath, is a wonderful breath to practice when you want to bring some invigoration into your life, when you want to add a little bit more fun. It's energizing, heating, it helps balance or engage the throat chakra as well. It's therapeutic apparently for bad breath. For asthma, it's good if you have things stuck in your lungs, if you have a chest cold or phlegm in the lungs or throat area. It's a wonderful breath to practice. Please do not practice this breath if you have a sore throat. One of the best parts about Simha pranayama is that it's a little bit goofy to practice. I love doing this one with kids or in a yoga class where we need to amp up the energy or encourage people a little bit. Simha pranayama, or lion's breath, is a really great way to go. Traditionally, this breath is practiced in hero pose, virasana. I'm sitting in this pose right now. I know that you can't see my lower extremities, but I'm actually sitting on a yoga block on my knees with my feet behind me. You can also sit in hero's pose or just on the knees. I love to add lion's breath to movement in my yoga classes as well. So I do it during a cat and cow, for example, or maybe in goddess pose, I'll have my students raise their arms and go into lion's breath when they lower them. So essentially, to do lion's breath, you close your eyes and take a big breath in through the nose. And as you exhale, you stick out the tongue, forcefully let the breath out through the throat. It makes kind of a hissing sound. And you want to try to look to your third eye, crossing the eyes. You don't have to close your eyes to begin if you don't want to, but I like to encourage the students to do so. It gets them a bit serious about it. And then when they actually go into the breath, it adds some humor to the class. So I'll demonstrate. Simha pranayama. It looks like this. So yogis, you can add Simha pranayama to your practice or to your classes or do it with your kids. A great opportunity to heat yourself up, energize, or add some fun to your day. And now I'll show it to you with some funky arms. It looks like this. And just as I practice this breath, my own little lion has come to join me. Do you want to do it one more time, T? Okay. So there you go, lion's breath or Simha pranayama. Try this one in your classes, in your home, with your friends and family. Namaste.